So how old are you? You're over 18, right? Blue shades. You got the blue eye. You.
I look so fucking ratchet.
What's new? No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Fuck, my eyes are red as fuck. I'm not crying. I wasn't crying. I'm not high. I'm just tired. I'm gonna start doing this YouTube again. Cause we're in what is that? What is that shit called? Quarter teen? Quarter teen?
Quarter pound.
No, like because of the virus. Quarter teen?
Quarter pound.
No, quarantine. Quarantine. Since we're quarantined
Okay.
for 2 weeks, I might as well.
You said no, kill you. I'm sorry.
God damn, will you let me fucking record?
Okay, my bad.
I'm on my way to school right now to pick up some work because of this quarantine. I don't know how to say the fucking word, but because we're staying locked up. I just picked up my schoolwork. Probably not gonna do it, but I still want to go pick it up. And I just almost filled up my gas tank with $15. It was a little under. It was like halfway between the quarter mark. So it was like 1/8, and I put 15, and it's almost full now. Gas prices are going down. I don't know. Isn't it like the opposite when like some shit like this happens? Like prices go up and shit. But doesn't it just look like sad? Like everywhere just looks sad. Like something bad's about to happen with this coronavirus. And there's like someone here already in Gaston County with the virus and shit. So damn, can't do nothing about that no more. I'm not staying home. That's fucking boring. If I get that shit, I get it. But I promise you, I'm not fucking staying home all day. They close the place where I work, and then we don't have school, so no school, no work. What the fuck am I supposed to do all day? That's why I'm gonna start doing this YouTube shit again. My bad for my profanity.
What's your profanity?
I'm gonna stop. But I'm gonna sound like a fucking hypocrite. But stay inside. Don't go outside. Stay away from people. Don't touch your face. Ooh, my hands smell like gasoline. Yeah, but be safe, everyone. I'm gonna try to keep you entertained with these videos. Shit is hot. It's hot. It is hot. But I am not opening no windows, not letting no coronavirus touch me. Yeah, I'm probably going home now. I will record myself driving, but my mom watches these videos. I don't want her to see how I drive. Okay, bye. I just made it back to the crib. I'm about to leave back though. Been here for like 2 minutes and I'm already bored again. I'll just go fuck around or something. No wonder it's fucking hot. I'm drinking this fucking coffee.
Tomorrow.
It's like day 5 of this Q word. I really don't know how to say it. My hair's getting long. I need a haircut. The beard's getting long. Need to shave that. I just got back home. It's like 1:30. I don't know what to do. Like, give me video ideas, because I don't know what the fuck to do. Because it be boring all day. Fuck it, I record myself drive. Nah. Y'all gonna see me cook this bitch today. It's like 200 degrees and I'm wearing a fucking beanie. But the only reason is because my hair's a little messed up right now. I can't be looking bad on YouTube. But let's cook this shit. I promise y'all this side is clean. I used this side yesterday, but I promise y'all this side is clean. Well, it's kind of dirty, but not like dirt. It's just like, it's full of pollen. But I did clean it yesterday, the whole thing, but I only use that side. I just clean this side because it's full of pollen. I'll let my mom and dad finish cleaning the rest. Wine is sizzling. See, this one has fire actually. Oh, there see, it's actually starting to cook it. I should probably lower it though. I ain't trying to burn down the crib, so I had to come outside. You feel me? Was I supposed to put like grease or oil on it before I threw it in? Kind of dry. I think I put it too high to do that shit. I know it's not cooking inside. Let me turn that shit down though, quick, all the way down. Damn, let me go get some butter real quick. Cause I think I was supposed to put in grease or something. Butter, oh shit. Okay, so I put some butter on it, like at the bottom. But the outside, I mean, like, it doesn't look too bad. But I'm pretty sure the inside's still raw as fuck. And I turned this shit all the way down, but that shit's still hot. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Looks a little raw. Fuck it. Let's hope I don't get salmonella. It's good. It's good. Yeah, it's tender. It's good. Tender, but you didn't know them big words. It's tender though. It's straight. I put it in salt. Man, that piece was good. I don't know if the whole steak is cooked though already. Sorry, fuck it. As fuck. I put perfect amount of salt. Perfect. Okay, I'm gonna let my dad try it now. Let him judge my cooking. I'm not gonna record it though, because I don't think he likes being on camera. So I'm not gonna record him and shit. But I'll let y'all know what he says. I just finished it. I gave him some. They said it was good. I gave it a 6 out of 10. For my first time cooking, though, that shit fire. My hair's kind of a mess right now. 75 likes. And I'll let David, my little brother, cut my hair.